we just left because I was like, it was like, I mean, me as like a Mexican girl, she was a white girl, so I felt some type of way because she was just walking behind us all the time. And I was like, usually when I go to stores, like nobody's like looking at what I'm doing. And I was like, I told her, I was like, here.
So I just saw video surveillance. So do you want to tell me what you took? So here's the thing, like with Kohls, they want to sign complaints when people see it.
On December 17th, 2022, officers responded to a retail theft call at a Kohl's department store. 3 18-year-old female suspects were detained for investigation in the store's parking lot. This case presents a striking contrast: methodical constitutional policing against a cascade of self-inflicted legal missteps. The following footage begins as the lead officer approaches the suspect's vehicle in the parking lot.
And I was gonna buy a concealer, and then I was opening to try my shade, which is on my hand, and then she was like, oh, are you gonna take it? And I'm like, no, I'm not gonna take it. So then she started assuming that I was like gonna steal the stuff from Sephora. So then I went up to one of the workers from there and I gave her the concealer, and I was like, look, like, so you could know I'm not taking anything. And then I just left the store.
Okay, because she's like saying that you guys took like necklaces and makeup.
No, we didn't even get through like the actual call.
We actually told her, and
Yeah.
she didn't say anything.
She didn't say anything. She said, she was like, sorry about my coworkers' actions. And I was like, no, you just need to make sure that they're not making it like seem like we're trying to steal anything.
Yeah.
You know, so that's why I gave her like the concealer back, and she took it back. You couldn't even go and ask her. I gave her the concealer, and it was like this spray sanitizer thing. I just gave it back to her, and she just took it back. Yeah.
So you never took anything?
Oh no, we
Okay.
we went to an Ulta, but we bought the stuff there and everything. They see me buy everything. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you mind staying by? I'm gonna go talk to her. Okay.
Can you stop digging your bag?
She's looking for her phone.
Okay, I don't want her digging in her bag. I don't know what's in the
You can
car.
literally open the door if you want. I don't care. No, I'm just being honest. Like, if you want to look.
I'm not gonna go searching through your car, but I don't.
need a warrant if you're
even-
gonna look at my car. But
I didn't say. Okay, first of all, I'm not gonna do the attitude.
Okay.
I'm not gonna have her sitting here digging her
Okay.
bag when I don't know what's in the car. Got it?
Well, I'm telling
Great.
you.
Okay, and I'm telling
she's
you.
looking for her phone.
I'm telling you, I don't care what she's looking for. I don't want her digging her bag when I don't know what's in the car.
That's fine.
So there's the attitude. Thank you.
Okay. I'm just like feel like I'm being targeted, but if you want.
Why are you being targeted? Because I asked her to stop digging through her bag?
And I told you why she was digging into her
Okay,
bag.
and I'm telling you, I don't
Okay,
care
I'm
because I don't
sorry.
know what's in the car.
I apologize. I'm not giving attitude. It's just the fact that she's like, oh, hey, like, you know, like, I understand why. Okay, I just don't understand.
Okay, nobody's targeting you. We got called here because you guys were allegedly doing something. That's why we're
Okay,
here.
I'm sorry.
No, we understand.
We understand.
Yeah, we understand.
Did they tell you what's going on?
I'm like really confused because we went to Sephora and I was getting stuff and they even give me a little bag, and then after like a girl, like I seen that she was like walking around behind me, so then I went up to her and I was like, here, like I'm not gonna take this just to make sure because I feel like you're thinking that I'm gonna steal it. So I gave it back to her. She was like, thank you so much for giving it back to me. And I was like, just tell your coworkers to not make it seem to customers that come in making it seem like they're stealing or something, because they're not gonna want to come back. And I gave her the concealer and the little spray back, and she just said thank you so much, I will talk to my coworkers, and we just went back inside. And then we came to the car. So I'm like, I'm confused. I'm like, I don't know, I didn't take anything. I gave it back to her. It was a concealer and a little spray.
Was it in Sephora or was it outside of
It was
Sephora?
in Sephora.
It was inside?
Yeah, it was in Sephora.
Okay.
Well, we left because we felt like we were just like.
Yeah, we just left because I was like, it was like, I mean, me as like a Mexican girl, she was a white girl, so I felt some type of way because she was just walking behind us all the time. And I was like, usually when I go to stores, like nobody's like looking at what I'm doing. And I was like, I told her, I was like, here, like if you think I'm gonna steal the concealer, here's the concealer and here's the spray. And I gave it to her in her hands. And she just walked back out. She was like, okay, thank you, I will talk to my coworkers about it. And I was like, okay.
Okay. I think at this point they're just gonna check cameras to make sure that everything's legit.
Yeah.
But appreciate you cooperating.
No, yeah, it's good.
I would have asked you guys if you're supposed to be in school. You look young.
I mean, she's supposed to be at work. I'm
work.
currently working too.
So you're not in school?
No, we just graduated recently.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Can I talk to you?
To me?
Yeah. Can you step out with your purse? Alright, I'll talk to you here. So I just saw video surveillance. So do you want to tell me what you took?
I can take your elbow.
Alright. So here's the thing, like with Kohls, they want to sign complaints when people see it. So like when arrested. Okay?
How long am I gonna be arrested?
It just depends. Is there anything in your pockets that belongs to Kohl or anything sharp or anything there? Knives, weapons, drugs, anything?
12223.
I just got my vape.
Oh, perfect. What's this?
It's just a little pouch it just had. It was a little broken. I don't know why I had it then.
Is there anything else in your clothes that I'm going to find right now?
I just got my vape and then I don't know where I got
So
my
no other
phone.
persons are going to pop up?
I think I just got like a couple things that my friend gave me.
What else is in this front right pocket?
I got my vape.
The vape is right there.
I got 2 vapes.
Okay. There's that.
Is that yours or is that Kohl's?
That's mine.
That didn't fall off of this?
I don't know.
Or so probably. Alright, can you step out so I can talk to you? Yes. Alright, so other than you putting that in your bra, what else did you take?
That's it.
Alright, I'm gonna search you, so put your hands right here. Just put your wallet and phone down. Turn around. You don't have anything else, correct? Okay. How did your friend get that?
What?
How did she get that when it was in your shirt?
She got one.
You got the other one? Where'd you put the other one at?
I'll be real with you. I'm be honest.
Okay,
That's
there's
me.
nothing else.
There's nothing else.
All right.
I didn't take anything else.
All right, put your hands behind your back. The watch is yours? The watch is yours?
Having witnessed the full arc of the encounter, let's now examine the constitutional framework that governs what just unfolded. The initial detention rests on Terry v. Ohio, 1968, authorizing investigatory stops based on reasonable suspicion. Under Adams v. Williams, 1972, a named store employee's report satisfies that evidentiary threshold. Because the encounter remained investigatory rather than custodial, Miranda warnings were not yet legally required. When one suspect declared she would be the person to blame, she made a spontaneous, voluntary admission. Under Rhode Island v. Innes, 1980, unsolicited statements outside interrogation remain fully admissible. The demand for a warrant reflects a common misconception about lawful officer safety directives during detention. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, officers may control occupant movements during lawful stops without a warrant. Discovery of merchandise concealed in undergarments activates the concealment doctrine, recognized across most American jurisdictions. This doctrine treats concealment as prima facie evidence of intent to permanently deprive, satisfying the mens rea element. The racial profiling allegation targeted a private retail employee, not a government actor. The 14th Amendment reaches only state action. Private discrimination falls under Title II of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Once surveillance footage established probable cause, the arrest and search became fully lawful under Chimmel v. California, 1969. Returning to the scene, officers now process the remaining suspects, and a critical detail emerges.
Yeah, you'll take your phone. Come to the back. All right, turn this way. All right, spread your feet. What's this? Is that like a vape?
Yeah.
Just gonna put this right here. So other than that, nothing. Nothing. I'm not like your friend. We're not gonna start finding like random stuff everywhere.
I'm gonna fight you.
Okay. No, find random stuff. Okay.
I'm being real with you.
Am I switching with me? Okay. Can you step out?
Yeah.
All right. Pockets.
Yeah.
The jewelry.
I just have this one.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay. All right. Put your hands this way, or lean up against the car. All right. Towards your feet. There's nothing sharp in your in your pockets. All right.
The lead officer earns an A- for methodical evidence building, disciplined interviewing, and constitutional restraint. Suspect 1 earns a D+ for waiving her right to silence through detailed statements that surveillance later contradicted. Suspect 2 earns a C+ for a loyalty-driven confession that, though legally unwise, prevented further escalation. Suspect 3 earns an F for physical resistance that likely elevated a misdemeanor toward felony territory.
Wait, can I please just know the process, please?
So you with retail theft, Kohls is signing complaints. So with that, what we do is you go down to our station, get fingerprint photographs, and you get released on and get a
And could I come back for like my stuff?
You're able to come back for your car? We're gonna get banned from the store.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beyond the individual grades, this case offers 3 enduring lessons worth remembering. 3 enduring principles emerge. First, silence protects. Voluntary explanations to police rarely help and frequently convict. Second, resistance compounds liability. A minor charge can become a felony in seconds through poor decisions under stress. Third, know your rights reach. The 14th Amendment governs state action, not private sector conduct. Let us know in the comments if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to analyze. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police-court interactions.